A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for egg. F for fish. G for grapes. H for honey. I for ice cream. Yummy, yummy. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for plum. Q for queen. R for rose. S for star. T for teddy. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Bye-bye.